Hi! In front of me is OnePlus Nord CE 3 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can manage adaptive brightness. First of all, go into Tab menu and tap on this little icon with a sun located next to brightness slider. If the icon is blue, that means that auto brightness is enabled, but you can always disable it by choosing the same one again. If you want to, you can also go into Settings, click on Display and Brightness, and tap on this switcher next to Auto Brightness feature to turn it on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!